Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are good at home and doing your work regularly. So, students, in today's session, we will do one such important topic, that is reading comprehension. Clear? Reading comprehension. The reading section of the paper contains two types of comprehensions. One is seen and the second is unseen. Both can be literary, discursive, or factual. And these passages generally include a variety of questions like MCQs, fill-ups, sentence completion, very short answer type questions, etc. Clear? So, students, before doing the unseen passage, first of all, you have to keep in mind such important points which is very important for you whenever you are attempting the comprehension. So, these are the important steps which you have to follow to do the unseen passages or the seen passages. First point is read the passage carefully at least 2 times, because you have a lot of time in the exam, so you can read the comprehension, you can read the passage at least 2 times. Read the passage carefully, बहुत ही ध्यान से आपने उस गिवन पैसेज को पढ़ना है. क्लियर? कम से कम 2 बार. And the second point is underline the important words very carefully. Important lines or the important words you have to underline whenever you are reading the passage. Clear? जब भी आप पैसेज को पढ़ रहे हो तो उस वक्त आपने इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स जो आपके हिसाब से बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, दोज यू कैन अंडरलाइन. क्लियर? एंड द नेक्स्ट इज रीड द क्वेश्चंस one by one. You have given suppose you have given 5 questions in one comprehension, so read one question at a time so that you can find the answer of that particular question and then mark. Is that clear? So read the questions one by one only. Yes, the most important is the last point. Answers should be relevant. Relevant means एक्यूरेट, मीन्स ऐसा ना हो कि क्वेश्चन में कुछ और पूछा गया है एंड आंसर्स यू आर राइटिंग एनी अदर. सो इन दैट सिचुएशन योर मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड. सो एवरी टाइम वेन एवर यू आर अटेम्प्टिंग unseen or seen passages, your answers should be relevant, your answers should be accurate according to the question which you have given. I hope you all have cleared these steps, and I hope you always will keep these points in your mind so that you can score good marks. Is that clear? Now we will do one written comprehension so that you can attempt the passages very carefully, very well. So first of all, I will read the passage in front of you, then we'll do the question answers. Everywhere, whenever you will sit in the exam and whenever you will get the question paper in your hands, you will see these lines. Read the passage and answer the following questions. ये लाइन आपको हर एग्ज़ाम में लिखी हुई मिलेगी whenever you are attempting any language exam. Clear? So I will read the lines. Gujarat celebrates more than 2000 festivals every year. So according to me, this line is very important. Gujarat celebrates more than 2000 festivals. Clear? Every year, कि हर साल गुजरात 2000 festivals celebrate करता है. Clear? Uttarayan is considered as one of the biggest festival in India, and Uttarayan is the biggest festival Uttarayan is considered as the biggest festival in India. People start making kites many months before the festival. Making kites means kites जो हम उड़ाते हैं on the day of मकर संक्रांति, on the day of बसंत पंचमी. क्लियर. सो लोग कुछ महीने पहले ही kites बनाना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. उत्तरायण is held on the day when winter starts to go and summer is about to begin. उत्तरायण कब मनाया जाता है? जब सर्दी विंटर स्टार्ट्स टू गो, सर्दी जा रही होती है, एंड समर इज़ अबाउट टू बिगिन, और गर्मी लगभग शुरू हो जाती है. स्काईज आर कवर्ड विद कलरफुल काइट्स फ्रॉम dawn until after dark. Dawn means early morning. Clear? Dawn means early morning. So स्काईज, आकाश, आसमान जो है वो कलरफुल काइट से सुबह अर्ली मॉर्निंग से देर रात तक भरा रहता है. इट मार्क्स द अप्रोच ऑफ द हार्वेस्ट सीजन, दैट इज कॉल्ड मकर संक्रांति. That is called Makar Sankranti. It means the other name of Uttarayan is known as Makar Sankranti. Is that clear? Very skillful kite makers and flyers are welcomed from all over the world. Very skillful. Skillful means बहुत ही अच्छे. Skillful kite makers, kite बनाने वाले, and flyers जो उड़ा सकते हैं, are welcomed from all over the world. अलग अलग जगह से आते हैं. Clear? Kites of varied size fill the sky. Kites of varied size. Varied size means बहुत बड़ी भी होती हैं, बहुत छोटी भी होती हैं पतंगे. ठीक है, उनसे आकाश जो है वो पूरी तरह से भरा होता है. It means the sky is fully covered with colorful kites. It is very colorful festival. So this festival is very colorful. Clear? So these were the important points which I have marked in the passage. So now let's do the question answers. The first question is, how many festivals do Gujarat celebrate every year? So I hope you all have understood the answer. 2000 festivals. Yes, in the first line, Gujarat celebrates more than 2000 festivals every year. So this question is very straight in the first line of the given passage. Clear? And the next is, which festival is considered as the biggest festival in India? So students, according to you, what should be the answer of this question? Yes, Uttarayan. Uttarayan is considered as one of the biggest festival in India. Clear? So उत्तरायण जो है उसको इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा फेस्टिवल कंसीडर किया गया है. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज, व्हेन इज उत्तरायण हेल्ड ऑन? उत्तरायण कब आता है? जब सर्दी जा रही होती है और गर्मी लगभग शुरू हो जाती है. यही बात की थी ना हमने इन द पैसेज. उत्तरायण इज हेल्ड ऑन द डे when winter starts to go and summer is about to begin. So students, I hope you all have cleared the answer of this question. The next is, what is the other name of these festivals? I already told you whenever I was reading the passage, the other name of the festival is Makar Sankranti. Clear? Makar Sankranti is the other name of this festival. The last question is, which type of festival is this? So students, this is a kite festival and kites are colorful. So we can say it is a colorful festival. So it is very colorful festival. Is that clear? So students, I hope you all have cleared how to attempt the unseen passages in the exam, and I hope you will never deduct your marks in this passage. If you have any doubt in your mind, then you can call me at my personal number. Thank you. God bless you.